SSD upgrade on Asus X541NA-BH91 laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Jazzle, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Upgrading to an SSD is a wise choice that significantly enhances computer speed, responsiveness, and overall performance. Unlike traditional hard disk drives, HDTs, solid-state drives, SSDs use flash memory, allowing for dramatically faster boot times, quicker application loading, and improved file transfer speeds. An SSD upgrade reduces system lag, enhances multitasking capabilities, and provides a smoother computing experience, making it one of the most impactful upgrades for any laptop or desktop. In addition to performance improvements, SSDs consume less power, generating less heat and extending battery life in laptops. They also operate silently and have no moving parts, making them more durable and resistant to shocks or physical damage, whether upgrading an aging system or enhancing a new build. An SSD ensures better efficiency, reliability, and longevity. SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade. To follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.